I'm going to do a Halloween tutorial today of a cat. Let's get into it. I'm going to start off with my primer, my MAC Strawberry Cream. And I'm just going to put a little bit on my hand. And then I'm going to rub it in my hand and put it all over my face. Just prime my skin. When that's done, I'm going to go in with my Revolution foundation stick. And I'm just going to put that everywhere on my face. Then I'm going to use my damp beauty blender and blend that in. As I keep saying in videos, let me know if you want me to do any kind of video, any makeup tutorial, just let me know in the comments down below. Please subscribe and please like. And if I'm looking, I've got a mirror over here. As well, if you have any makeup requests or anything, just let me know. That's done. Now I'm going to go in with my Revolution contour stick. No, sorry, it's my can't speak today. And do them in the areas I normally do. I want to try is it the big one. I haven't got around to yet getting that. And I'm using, sorry, my small beauty blender. Then I'm going to go in with one of the brownie shapes to contour. Then I'm going to go in with the highlights ones. I'll say I'll go for Angel Face. That one there. Take a little dab of it and then do it over the top. Give it a little shine. Here and here. And then And then I'm going to go in with my setting spray. I'm going to I'm just going to put loads of baking stuff underneath my eyes. In here and down, and I'm gonna set for a little while I'm letting that set. I'm gonna go in with my this eyeliner, and I'm going to do wings. So if I'm looking in the mirror here. I'm going to go with my big brush and brush this off. I'm going to do the other eye. That's that. I'm going to use another eyeliner, correction eyeliner to go to make it more bold. Sorry, my camera just cut out when I was doing my eyeliner. Back to that, I'm going to use my L'Oreal mascara. I'm going to put them on. Back to where I was. I'm going to use L'Oreal mascara. If you see, I'm looking in my mirror here because it's easier with a mirror. I'm putting a little bit of mascara on. Top and bottom. Then I'm going to go in with some well, I'm going to go in and use the Juicy Shine. I think it's the Catwoman of the reflection of the row above it. I'm going to use these ones today. I've got other ones that I may use. If you do want me to use them, let me know in the comment down below, and I can actually do tutorials with them. Yeah, so I am going to use them. I think you've got one. They're very, very sticky. Oh. They're very nice and very sticky. I've got 3 others left. You'll find out on Friday, the next one, as well as next Wednesday will be the next one, and I hope you like them. And no, Chip Show has not sponsored me. I bought these myself. With my own money. But I do love their stuff. It is absolutely good. They're gorgeous. You can use them for festivals. And you use them over and over and over. Oh, that one's sticking. They're very, very sticky. Got to hold them down for a little while to make sure they stick. Here's them. And I'm gonna use black lipstick from Robert. It's from, I can't pronounce the name, but it's black. It's not very black. You've got to put it on. Many of times to make it actually stand out black. I'm going to go in and give my mascara and make my eyes a bit more. Bigger lashes. Then the last thing to settle off is these caves, and this is the fish look. Catwoman. Thank you to everyone that's subscribed, liked. It means the world to me, and let's see if I can hit 50 subscribers by the end. Thank you, bye.